Sobrang aga nyo dito, kahit sobrang OA nyo, mahal na mahal ko kayo guys. So, for my next song, for sure ako na alam nyo to. And this song, let's all dedicate this to all our loved ones, especially to our parents. Alam nyo to. And itong kanta na po ito, ay galing sa aking group na SB19. So, if you know the song, please sing with me. This is Bata. 18, this is your night. Oh, kahit late na, okay lang. Thank you so much for your cooperation. Do you like the song? Do you memorize the lyrics? Can you please print it for me? Pwede bang, for the first time na pinperform ko siya mag-isa, pwede bang mag-duet tayo together in a cappella? Okay lang? Gusto ko yung boses niyo maririnig buong BGC, ha? Okay ba yun? Okay lang kahit wala ng boses bukas, wala namang work tomorrow. So, okay, try natin, ha? Kaya huwag mag-alala, ipikit ang iyong mata, tala. Let's sing! Thank you so much, BGC. Diba? Sino mag-aakala na ang lyrics ng Lat-Tarat-Tara ay magiging meaningful, diba? Maraming salamat sa support nyo sa song na yun. Dahil sa inyo, naging familiar tayo sa Lat-Tarat-Tara. Thank you so much. Again, I would like to thank BGC Arts Foundation Inc., Pinoy Playlist Music Festival 2024. Maraming salamat po. And of course, 18, nandito pa ba kayo? Ay, yung mga baby kong berries, nandyan? Nandyan pa sila. Ayan, meron dito sa harap. Hello. Maraming salamat. And halata naman na nag-enjoy tayo lahat. Pero thank you so much for coming and celebrating music with us tonight. And I enjoyed performing here tonight sa BGC. Sobrang happy ako. I love you too. Pero meron pa ako isang song na hindi na perform na galing sa aking EP. Anong song yun? Ha? Anong boom? Ha? Room. Okay, yeah. Hindi ko pa na-perform yung Room. So,